11 corona patients lost their life in the fire that broke out in the COVID ward. Right now with us we have BJP MP Sujay Vikhe Patil. Let's talk to him what all steps are being taken and what inquiry is going on. Dr. Vijay, what would you say? Fire broke out and a sad incident, tragic incident wherein 11 corona patients have lost their life.
It's a very tragic incident which has taken place today. There were total 17 patients in the ICU. 11 of them are dead. 6 of them are still admitted. 2 of them are serious. So it actually started with a short circuit. That what the primary investigation states, that there was some fire which was seen in the corner and it percolated to the AC vent. So because of that, and mainly due to suffocation, these 11 patients have died. Our primary objective is to save the rest of the 6 patients who are there still in the ward. Out of them, 2 are serious, as I said. And there's been an inquiry committee which has been established here. And I think the inquiry report will come within a week, and whatever problems are there in the hospital, such incidents don't occur in the future, we are going to take care of that.
Visited the spot. What do you gauge? What are the primary investigations saying?
I think it's because of the AC duct. A short circuit and the fire which has occurred, the entire smoke came through the AC duct. It's a central air condition. So there's a single vent which passes throughout all the vents. So that's why the smoke circulated very fast in a rapidly manner all over. And that's how it led to a massive suffocation, and how do I put it? It took time for us to evacuate those people out of there.
Questions are being raised about the fire audit. What would you like to say?
I think I've inquired about that. The fire audit of this building was done. Actually, this ICU was constructed during the first wave of COVID in order to help these patients. There were ventilators over there. And for the 2 waves which we have seen in the past 1 year, this ICU has helped the poor in a very big way. It is a very unfortunate incident that this has happened, and we have to inquire what exactly is the reason for it. Because if it has been functioning for 1 year and nothing has happened, so what happened today that this incident has occurred? So unless we get a detailed report, but the preliminary investigation states that it is because of the short circuit and it went to the AC duct which has caused the chaos.
Voices are being also heard that there was some malfunction in the ventilator.
And it's a very unfortunate part on the part of Mahavikas Aghadi. One MLA of Mahavikas Aghadi said that it's a malfunctioning of the ventilator. I think first of all, he is not a doctor, so he shouldn't comment on that. And there are certain people in this Mahavikas Aghadi government who want to come on TV every single day. That people should switch on the TV and they should be visible. And to make themselves visible, they make such absurd statement. I totally say that there is no defunction in this ventilator. It's been supplied all over the country and no such problem has been ever heard.
What kind of assurances to the family members who lost their loved one?
Yeah, the state government has announced a sum of 5 lakh rupees. The NDRF has announced a sum of 2 lakh rupees. Our demand is it should be 10 lakh rupees and 1 government job to each and every personnel of the family, because many of the people who are working for the family have been died in this particular chaos.
Being BJP MLA, your constituency is Ahmednagar. What kind of assurance would you give to the public that action would be taken against those who are responsible for this sad, tragic incident?
Yeah, me being a doctor, I can personally supervise the inquiry committee. I have had a talk with the collector and the SP and the civil surgeon. So now priority is not to interfere with the management of the district administration. We have to cooperate for the next 2 days so that we get things in line. And for sure, I can assure you that within a week, I'll take this audit myself personally. I know everything. I run a 700-bedded hospital myself. So I'll clearly know what default was there and I'll take action. I can assure the people, and henceforth, these things wouldn't occur. We'll definitely, whatever the shortcomings are there in the audit, we'll fulfill that within a period of 1 month.
So here you have one more assurance from the MP of BJP, who has assured that action will be taken against those who are responsible for this tragic incident wherein 11 corona patients lost their lives while 6 others are being treated who are injured in this fire incident. With cameraman Gopal Harne and Rohit Walke, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Ahmednagar for India Today.